Okay. Babe, who does remind you of? What I did? Y'all, my mama used to drop food on her shirt. Hey, everybody. You guys, I'm on a roll today. We've done dinner, and now we're getting ready to do some dessert. So today we're going to do a peach upside down cake. Now this is a cake that's it's not like a traditional pound cake size. It's going to be a smaller cake because you're only going to have to use a 9-inch pan to bake it in. So let me share with you the ingredients that we're going to need to make this peach upside down cake. Okay, we're going to need 3/4 cups of butter, and then we're going to have to divide that. We need 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. We need 2 cups of peaches that have been sliced, and I use the canned peaches. We need 3/4 cups of sugar. We're going to need 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I've also already put in the 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's already in that's all of my dry ingredients. Then we're going to need 1/2 cup of milk. I've already set aside 1/4 cup of the butter to put in my pan. So we're going to use the rest of the butter, and we're going to cream the butter and the sugar until it becomes fluffy. So I'm going to start by putting my butter in. My butter has been sitting out all day, so it is softened. My oven is already preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, we have to get our butter and sugar cream. Now we're going to pour this melted butter in this ungreased pan. I hope you guys can hear me over the mixer. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me over this mixer. Now that the sugar and butter is light and fluffy, we're going to add this 1 egg. I'm going to add the vanilla. You guys, I also like this cake batter flavoring, so I'm going to add, it doesn't call for this, but I want to add some. Calls for a teaspoon of the vanilla. Now I'm going to start adding my flour and baking powder and salt mixture, and I'm going to alternate that with a 1/2 cup of milk. Okay. Okay, now we're going to, I had stopped with this part in the beginning because I thought you really could not hear me with the mixer on. So now let's add the brown sugar and the peaches to the melted butter that's in the pan. Now we sprinkle this packed brown sugar over this melted butter. And then we're going to arrange the peaches. On top. Then we have to spoon the mixture over the top of it. Now we put this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, let's flip it. I did take a butter knife and go around the edge of it, so hopefully it will release. Okay. Let's see. Did it release? It did. Have just a little bit in there. Oh. That looks pretty. Look. Add some on my lip. Okay. Let's see. I want to eat this part. What is it? It's a peach upside down cake. Okay. Babe, who does this remind you of? Look what I did. Y'all, my mama used to drop food on her shirt. When I tell you, we could tell what my mama had to eat, because I declare it's like it would never fail. She she would drop food on her shirt, y'all. I declare it is moments like that that reminds me of my mama, honey. That makes me smile while I'm in the kitchen. Because I cannot believe I have been doing these cooking videos like this. Y'all, this was really not planned, but when I tell you I've just really been enjoying it, and it makes me feel like I'm close to my mama. It's just, ooh-wee, it's interesting. Okay. Let me cut a little piece. Let's see what do I want to get. All I need is some vanilla ice cream. Now, one thing I can say about the cake batter is that it's not a real sweet batter, and I think it's because all that butter and brown sugar that's on the top. So if you like a cake that's not real sweet, it's hot. Then this would be one to try, because it's not real sweet at all, at least the cake part. And I'm used to a whole bunch of sugar. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye. Brown sugar and butter is good. Hey y'all.